Are you looking for an inexpensive way to test batteries, charging systems, and starting systems at home? Well, this tool might be for you. So, we're simply got a power lead, a ground lead, we hook these to the battery, and it Bluetooths to our phone. This is the Launch BT360 battery tester. Once you connect it to the battery, you come right over to the app. You can do battery, starting system, as well as charging system. So let's go ahead and check this battery. It's going to ask what kind of battery it is to start with, whether it's an AGM, gel battery. This one is just a standard. Cold cranking amps, we're going to look at our battery, 700. Now it gives us a report. Battery is 78% charged, is 12.4 volts, but the battery life is only 7%. Cold cranking amps are 190. That means this vehicle needs a new battery. It's that easy.